Hey Angelina, how you doing?
Hi, good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. How's everything been with the SDK?
Good, good. I've been a bit sidetracked. I had a few things come up, but other than that, good. I still have to make the changes. I have to fix the change log, and there was one other thing that I needed to double check on, but I can't remember off the top of my head.
Uh, I mean, no rush. It's, uh, that's a nice thing about the community SDK. We don't have timelines, there's no client asking for these.
Yeah.
So it's a very nice way, I feel like, to code when you just do it for the fun of it and to learn something and not because you have like some timeline or someone breathing down your back. Um,
Yeah. Hmm. I think I don't know if Hendrik is joining. I think he's on vacation.
He's on
And
vacation, yeah. Was he joining the
Sophie,
last couple of weeks?
I think, yeah, he has been joining the last few weeks. I think Jessica said he's on vacation this week, so I don't know if we'll see him. And I think Sophie is sick, she said.
Yeah, she said she can't. And yeah, Henrik is on vacation. He'll be back next week. But
Oh, okay.
let's see. Okay, it seems like it's just us. Do you have any questions?
No, nothing that I had to bring up this week. Is anything new that I may or may not be aware of? I
Um,
didn't
I
see
mean,
any
not
new
really.
things, but
No.
figured best to ask than assume.
I mean, in all honesty, like Sophie and Hendrik are currently more informed than I am because I've been so busy with conferences and I'm a lead of two projects that we have. So I'm current like besides this. So they're probably the best ones to ask. I've looked through what's going on in the GitHub repository. And I see there's some many good issues to be picked up. There's some pull requests, some of them still, some of them in progress, which I need to look through. The only thing I think, which maybe Henrik has mentioned, we're currently looking for like kind of hero and contributors, what the different dev personas are, and what could make the development, what people wish for, or
Oh, okay,
what
yeah.
would make development easier. If you have anything there that you would like to bring up, yeah, please let me know.
Yeah, yeah, of course. I think I don't know if MLH does this. But they host a hackathon. They're actually hosting one in a couple of weeks. It'll be the week of November. Let me double check. I may have it written down. I think it was mm, November 7th is when it started. So I'm wondering if they would be interested in partnering with us and trying to do a hackathon using the Hiero SDK.
What is the hackathon called? Can you post it in the scene?
Yeah, yeah. Sorry, I was looking at it on my phone. You can give me one second. I'll get the link for you. Um, M, what is it? LH, I think was there. Yeah.
And hi Manish, how you doing? Any news?
Okay, so I don't get anyone else.
Okay. Oh, here we go. Cool, Hack Week. That was it. So here's the link.
Cool. Let me have a look at that. That'd be cool. That'd be super nice. Let me look at this and then hopefully reply in Discord. Thank you so much for sharing. Manish, sorry, you wanted to say something? Manish? Apparently not. Okay, cool. So I guess I'm definitely gonna look into that hackathon. I'm gonna discuss it also with Hendrik as soon as he's back. From technical point or so, is there anything that you guys would like to ask or bring up? Else, I guess we can close this call a bit early as we're a very small group today.
I'm good. Nothing else on my side. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Manish? Can't hear you, unfortunately. I see you come off mute, but somehow, maybe write in the chat. Okay, nothing. Okay, cool. Well, as always, have a lovely week. And then, yeah, see you next week. And if you have anything that you would like to bring up, just message in Discord.
Okay. Thank
Awesome.
you.
Thank
Have a
you.
good rest of your
Bye.
day.
Cheers, you too.